In this exercise, we will learn the pencil tool. The pencil tool will work something like a freehand pen or pencil. Okay, let's see how this tool works. If I right-click on the brush tool, here, we have the pencil tool, or we have the B shortcut key. We can press Shift and B to select this tool. Okay, now we have selected this tool, and let's paint on here. You can see it is working something like a pencil, and we can draw any drawing fast, something like that. Okay, now let's see its control options. We have the same settings here that we had for the brush tool, size and hardness, and different brushes. Okay, next we have keep this normal, opacity, smoothing, control option, and just as it is. Okay, now we have auto erase option. I'll click on it and let's increase the size of the pencil. Just for example, for you to see how it works. If I paint here and I paint on it again, something like that, it is erasing the second time. If I paint again and again on it, you can see it is automatically erasing. It works like this. One time paint, one time erase. And you can try this option if it works for you. For me, I will check this off. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn color replacement tool.